Okay, trace design. Inside the home button is a couple of home operations, and at the bottom it says move the frame along the boundary. And if you do this, and it asks me to confirm, let's press enter again, it's actually moving the hoop in a square pattern around your pattern. That way you can adjust it and aim and whatnot. So you'll aim a little bit. You can hit this button here. You'll notice it's a fast movement or slow movement. I'm pressing this. I can see the pattern move really slowly. So you'll move this home and then do that for trace. You'll see the trace again. That's pretty important to make sure you don't hit the hoop. And on this panel, we set up all of these numbers up here to all be trace, just as a convenience, and because there's no real other good options for these buttons. So you'll notice it says confirm move along border. All of these, F2, F3, F1, all of them say the same thing. We put trace over there as a convenience, but it's the original position for trace is down here. Use the arrow keys to move there. Hit enter again, and it's tracing. And that's how you do trace on this